Here's how to create a payment form in a few minutes. Go to Registration Magic and then All Forms. From the All Forms dashboard, click on New Form. Then name the form as Payment Form. You can name the form as per your needs. Make sure to uncheck the Turn off user registration for this form. Click Save. Now the new payment form is created and appears in the form dashboard. Click on the Fields option in the form card. By default, the username, password and the email fields are added. Click on Add Row and select a single column and save. Then click on Add Field option and select the Add Product option. Label it as Product. Select the product that you have already made using the Products section in Registration Magic. Click Add to Form. Now that the product field is included, go to All Forms. From here, copy the shortcode and paste it onto the new page. Here's how the payment form looks like. Simple, isn't it? Please like, share, and subscribe.